It mentions that Dobsonville is still part of the deep middle section. Yeah, I see there's some flats there. So this is it, Dobsonville Stadium. It's home to Morocco Swallows.
At story 88.
Yes guys, we're still in Dobsonville. We're back in extension 2. We took another 10 now. We're walking towards the stadium, but it's still a long way to get to the stadium. Extension 2. It seems like extension 2 is very big here in the extension side of Dobsonville. So when I checked the Wikipedia, it mentions that Dobsonville is still part of the deep middle section. So deep middle includes a deep kloof, Meadowlands, and also Dobsonville. That's what it mentioned there. So we're here at Dobsonville. Before 1994, it was part of the Rudeport municipality. Yeah, I see there's some flats there. And some flats there. I don't know how we can get there and just take a look. So this side is more like Protea. Yeah, it's Protea. The extension sides of Protea. You may think that you are in Protea here, but no, you're in Dobsonville. Go, buddy. No, you're in Dobsonville. It's very nice. So it's very nice. When you see the township, when the township is well taken care of, it's a very nice thing to see. Yeah. And some more. It's oh, very nice. It's very nice here. And there are the flats. I don't know the entrance. Maybe we'll see it outside, guys. But it's still behind the houses here. Yeah, there's another double-story house here, and it's a flat roof. Okay, this is it, guys. This is the Dobsonville extension 2. Please don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, liking, even commenting if you have some view to share. Yeah, you're free to do so. Okay guys, we're walking towards the stadium, Dobsonville Stadium. So this is it. This is it, Dobsonville Stadium. The security is hey, these guys. Luna. Oh, this is the other side of Dobsonville Stadium. Oh. Show Luna. Hey, kunjani ba? Hi, shop man. Hey, tata. Askipani ngathoro phakathi la. Ngangena ticket. Skipani stadium.
Tourism abayihost nje total. Ibhola nje kuphela.
Ibhola total. Na tourist awafiki.
Hayi next.
Why? Ngoba phela stadium naso vele sine history. Grand. Okay guys, this is it, Dobsonville Stadium. It's home to Morocco Swallows. As you see there, Morocco Swallows is part of it's one of the teams in the PSL. Okay, konje Spanish Swallows ne?
Yeah.
Yini ba trainer no phela bakhona?
Akune game ezodwa.
Today?
Yeah, Morocco Swallows second division.
Oh, second division. Oh, okay. Oh, basbuka the stadium for those events. All right. Okay. So uma ngihamba ngale ke around there siyabonakala ngale stadium.
Yeah, around.
Ufuna ngiphume kanjani?
Awuzobona nje la.
Oh, ngiqhubeke straight ngala. Okay. No stress buddy. Sharp. Oh. Okay guys, let's just go around the stadium. So this is a world-class stadium, a FIFA class approved stadium. So it plays the PSL. It's home to Morocco Swallows, the Dubai Beats. So it's in Dobsonville in Soweto. So it's one of the stadiums that are found in Soweto. Yeah, the other one is Orlando Stadium, which I'll show you in the next coming videos. We'll be showing you the side of Orlando East and the other parts of Orlando West, because we've already done the other side of Orlando West. So we'll also show you the stadium, and sometimes FNP Stadium, the World Cup Stadium, it is mentioned that it's part of Soweto. It's in Nasrec. So that would mean that in Soweto there's 3 big stadiums. So this is the other side of Dobsonville Stadium. So it was used, I think, during the 2010 World Cup as a training facility. Just like the Orlando Stadium, it was a training ground for some teams, national teams, during the World Cup in 2010. But it still hosts serious games. The national team games are sometimes hosted here at Dobsonville Stadium, yes, and also Orlando Stadium, because it's much bigger than this one here. Yeah, they host serious games. It's home to Orlando Pirates, which is another team from Soweto, one of the biggest teams in South Africa. Okay, here is just a wall. Yeah, it's difficult to see. The Dobsonville is a very huge area. Yeah, we had to walk, guys, to cover some parts of Dobsonville extension, but it still stretches down. I don't know if we'll be able to see the other side of the stadium this time, from this side, because there's this huge wall. So they've intentionally built the wall like this, so for the public not to see inside while the matches are played, which is fair. If you want to watch the game, just buy a ticket and come. and watch the game this side. Yeah, it's very difficult to see the stadium from this side. But that's the stadium. That's Dobsonville Stadium. Maybe one day we're gonna enter inside, guys. We're gonna enter inside and maybe watch a match. This is it, guys. This is Dobsonville. Yeah. This is the hood. Dobsonville is in the western side, western parts of SOWETO.